Hello everyone, welcome back to PLC Automation. In this video, we are going to build a pump control system using Siemens TIA Portal and SCL programming. This is a real-world example that you can actually use in industrial project, and I will explain everything step by step in a very simple way. For every functions, we need to have a project. We have to add a CPU. I did it already. If you know how to make a project and add a CPU, okay. If not, I have created in the past some videos. Have a look to them and you will learn how to create a project and how to add a CPU. The function block I have also already prepared because otherwise it would take a long time. It's the input variable, the output variables, and you can stop the video and put the variables and then start with the coding and the static variables. So now we are going to the interface code. This is the interface code. Status, for example, status bit, status auto equals to auto boot. Everything is written and everything is explained with extra text very clearly. Okay, so now let's call our function block to OB1. As it is a reusable block, I will use it for pump 1. I will use the same instance are already created. Yes, okay. To test this, e-stop has to be okay. True. Overload has to be 1. Okay, and now the month has to be 1. Okay, low level have to be 1, and now we have to reset the fault. Okay, now it says it's ready. I'm giving any start, but it's not turning. Okay, I'm waiting. Why it's not? I put the level to 0. Yes, now it's running. True. Pump run CMD, it's okay. Here you are. We have tested our FB correctly. And also, if you want to test it, you can double click on this to go to the interface and read all the conditions is written in this code, and you will finally understand it how to use it. So thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you have enjoyed this video, and if you find this video interested, do not forget to subscribe to this channel and like this video and comment on this video. If you have any question of any um, question regarding your work, regarding your study, regarding any other things, uh, in automations. So please do not hesitate to ask this in this channel. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Bye bye.